What's going on, y'all? It's Dime, and today we're going to be making a EDC pouch for your pocket, to go in your pocket, carry everything you need. What mine's going to carry is this is just a little gift card that I cut down, wrapped in some black duct tape, little Sharpie, my Victorinox Tinker, lighter, chapstick, and then instead of band-aids or something, since I got duct tape, I want it to hold one little roll of gauze. And then another good little thing to have, if you have a lighter, you can have a glue stick, and then you can glue something up immediately right there on the spot. You know, yeah, and have a little extra room in there for whatever we want to throw in there. We're going to be making out of some buckskin. Going to be throwing a zipper on this one. It's going to be a two-tone thing, brown and the yellow. I got some of this elastic cord, so we are going to be throwing some of that in there to have slots for everything to go into. Yeah, let's get to it. Alright, I went ahead and got some templates made up just out of cardboard for the two different panels we're going to be doing. I'm going to do one panel, and then we're going to sew the zipper to it, and then we'll sew that panel around the edge of this one. Alright, got all that cut. I got this zipper. I went ahead and got the holes punched and everything. Got this zipper clipped in place. Now we're going to get it stitched to this panel first, and then we'll worry about stitching this panel to the other. Alright, got this zipper panel all stitched up. Now we got to start the stitching on this. Alright, y'all, I went ahead and got the stitching all done, and I got the elastic sewn in right here. See, there it looks all packed in. I added a couple things. Got zip ties, Got your lighter, Swiss Army knife, chapstick, got a hot glue stick, got your Sharpie pen. Back here's a couple fire starters. In here is a couple of ibuprofen, a couple of Aleve, a couple of Benadryl, and a couple aspirin. Here we have our gauze, and then here's duct tape. Added a ranger band, got a hair tie, and then back here I got 3 or 4 3x5 index cards folded in half, so I got something to write on with the pen. I still need to add a little, like a Olight i3T, the little single AAA battery flashlight, something like that in here. And then I'd say this is a pretty good little kit. Yeah, let me know what y'all think down in the comments below, what you thought of this video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers. Really appreciate y'all. Thank y'all very much for watching. Until next time.